Hey guys, it's me Editorian. Welcome back. In this video, I will do an editing challenge. In CapCut, I will make 3 edits with same clips, one in 10 minutes, one in 20 minutes, and one in 30 minutes. If you enjoyed, you can like this video and subscribe for more. This is the preview of clips. Let's start the video. Here is the result of 10 minutes edit. Let's make an edit in 20 minutes. Here is the result of 20 minutes edit. Let's make an edit in 30 minutes. If you want more content like this, tell me in the comment which character should I make for the next challenge. Here's the final result of 30 minutes edit.